11th on the list is the ACCO Grader, constructed in the early 1980s for a Libyan land development project. It was an absolute engineering marvel. This vast machine, weighing 200 tons, was powered by twin engines. One up front developed 700 HP, and another in the rear delivered 1,000 HP for a combined 1,700 horsepower. It had a 33-foot blade and 12 tires on its wheels, making it the biggest motor grader in the world. Designed for massive construction tasks, it provided unparalleled grading capabilities. Unfortunately, due to international trade embargoes, it never saw active service and was eventually dismantled for scrap. But its innovative design remains legendary in construction history. Next is the RayGo Giant, a giant super grader powered by two GM 318 HP diesel engines, one at the rear and one at the front, providing a combined power output of 636 HP. Weighing in at 106,000 pounds, this double-articulated grader was over 50% heavier than its contemporaries. RayGo Inc., renowned for its compactors, designed the Giant for heavy-duty leveling and surface mine reclamation. Unlike typical graders, its blade was fixed to the central frame, enhancing stability and precision. The RayGo Giant was an engineering marvel due to its extraordinary power and innovative design. It effortlessly completed even the most strenuous grading and earth-moving operations. 13th in this ranking is the motor grader Caterpillar 16M3, designed with the participation of heavy machinery professionals to achieve maximum performance in mining and large-scale construction. This model is loaded with a 535 HP Cat C13 ACER engine that supports high torque and efficient fuel use. It comes with a 16-foot moldboard, hydraulic solid system, and an enhanced cooling package, all factors making it wholly durable and reliable. The ergonomic cab equipped with touchscreen controls makes the operation comfortable and productive for the operator. Ideal for maintaining haul roads, the 16M3 reduces cycle times, decreases tire wear, and maintains low maintenance costs to improve overall mine site efficiency. Number 14 is the astonishing New Holland F170B motor grader, designed for high performance and durability in demanding construction applications. Its maximum operational weight is 15,587 kilograms, and its powerful 6.7-liter engine produces 220 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance. The F170B is designed with an efficient power-shift transmission with 8 forward and 4 reverse gears featuring direct drive, ensuring smooth operation and efficiency. An advanced hydraulic system with load-sensing features gives precise control while providing reduced fuel consumption. The F170B is equipped with a 13-foot moldboard and an articulation angle of 25 degrees, making it an ideal choice for demanding grading operations that require great productivity in a variety of situations. At number 15 is the Caterpillar 24H motor grader, ideal for heavy applications such as maintaining haul roads and mining operations. It has a high 500 horsepower Cat 3412E DITA engine, ensuring top performance and reliability. The immense 24-foot moldboard on this grader makes its blade coverage on large grading tasks impossible to equal. This is complemented with an advanced hydraulic system which provides precise blade control. The operator station includes ROPS, FOPS certified cabs, providing class-leading comfort and visibility. Maintenance on the 24H is easy due to the modular design, making downtime minimal. The 24H from CAT sets new standards in efficiency and productivity in the most hostile environments, featuring innovations like an automatic power shift transmission and load-sensing hydraulics. The next model up is the powerful Mitsubishi MG530 motor grader, which can reach 185 HP at 2,000 RPM because of its 6D22T engine. The adaptable grader is stable and precise due to its 29-foot overall length and 21-foot wheelbase. The moldboard height is 28 inches and it can rotate in a full circle. As a result, this hydraulic system offers a pump flow of 27 GPM and a relief valve pressure of 2.5 psi, thus reducing the chances of abrupt, jerky operation. Designed sturdily with many advanced features, this machine is an absolute amazement in construction work, which makes it ideal for use in both road construction and maintenance. Powering the 17th wonder, the John Deere 872 GP motor grader is a 275 HP, 9.0-liter John Deere PowerTech PSS engine designed for best-in-class performance in the field of road construction and maintenance. That brings precise control with a dual-path hydrostatic drive and a 14-foot moldboard that improves grading productivity. The grader also has a comfortable cab with lots of room, climate control, and pro-grade controls, everything it takes to keep operators comfortable and productive. Its advanced hydraulics lend great blade control, while its heavy-duty construction ensures it'll stand up in harsh environments. The 872 GP's blend of power, precision, and innovative technology makes it a standout in the construction industry. The 18th wonder, the Bell 770G motor grader, is purpose-built for hard work and heavy-duty applications. This grader comes powered with a John Deere PowerTech 6090H engine that produces 230 HP or 172 kilowatts, peaking with 1,227 Newton-meters. The 9-liter displacement engine meets the standards of the EU Stage 2 emission requirements. It weighs 18.78 tons, is constructed very solidly, measures 9.99 meters in length for transport, and stands 3.18 meters high. The advanced hydraulic system, ROPS cabin, and precise blade control bring about high efficiency for road construction and maintenance works while taking care of the operators under harsh conditions. Second from last is the Norm 65E motor grader, versatile and one of the most potent machines built for grading. It has a 120 HP Cat Tier 4 final power plant and a high-capacity torque converter for excellent power and efficiency. The 65E has advanced hydraulic systems, an automatic Super Max Track differential, and a tight turning radius for maneuvering and control. The grader includes a deluxe air ride adjustable seat and an easy-to-operate control console, ensuring operator comfort. Ideal for rough cutting, mixing, spreading, and fine grading, the Noram 65E offers outstanding value with low maintenance costs and high resale value. The last marvel is the Liugong 4180D motor grader, a robust machine designed for tough grading tasks. With a rated power of 180 HP at 2200 RPM, it provides outstanding performance, especially to its 180 HP Ashok Leyland H6 engine that complies with CEV Stage 4 emissions. A 12-foot blade width, 43 km per hour maximum forward speed, and 32 km per hour maximum reverse speed are some of the attributes that make this grader efficient. Its ergonomic AC cab enhances operator comfort, while ground-level serviceability minimizes downtime. Ideal for road construction, the 4180D combines power, reliability, and ease of maintenance, making it a standout in heavy-duty applications. As we wrap up our tour of the 20 largest motor graders ever built, it's evident that these machines are more than just construction tools. They're marvels of modern engineering. From the robust Case 885B to the colossal ACCO Grader, each one exemplifies extraordinary innovation and power. These giants go a long way in construction and servicing our infrastructure, and they illustrate tremendous progress in heavy machinery technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more insights on the world of heavy machinery. See you in the next video.